Today is Tuesday, February 16th. This is the 1969-1970 Cadillac Eldorado left-hand driver's side wiring harness. And the unit has been restored, whereby the 10 gauge, 12 gauge, 14 gauge, 16 gauge wires have been replaced right here in the area where the hood hinge opens and closes, causing the majority of the failures in the wiring harness. This wiring harness provides the connectivity for the 4-button cluster switch for the power windows, the power door lock, as well as the emergency hazard switch for facilitating power when the ignition is off, as well as transmitting power to the right-hand passenger side. So a lot of people don't realize that the left-hand driver's side wiring harness that's mounted in the door can be the root cause of a lot of the electrical problems, specifically as they pertain to any of the power windows. Okay, so all of these wires have been swapped out, the 12 gauge, 10 gauge, 14, 16 gauge wires that facilitate the power source as well as the switches for both the cluster switch and the individual switch. And I'll be shipping this out as soon as I get an okay to ship reply confirmation. Today is Tuesday, February 16th. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1970 Cadillac Eldorados, over 250,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, power seat mechanisms, instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items. This is George in Florida. Today is Tuesday, February 16th. Thank you very kindly.